working overtime. Employees who working overtime is when they work beyond their normal hour. So therefore, okay, they will receive a higher rate. Okay, so higher rate such as, okay, time and a half, or they get paid double times. Okay, so time and a half, it means time 1.5. Okay, so let's say if this person work for 2 hours, okay, he or she will receive 2 times 1.5, which is 3 hours. So getting paid up 3 hours for working 2 hours. Now double time means you time 2. So that means if this person worked 2 hours, okay, you double that. So instead of getting paid for 2 hours, he or she will get 4 hours instead. Alright, so that's what time and a half means, and then double time means. Let's do a few examples. So let's say calculate the total pay for a week in which a cleaner works for 20 hours at $16.50 per hour and 3 hours at time and a half. So this means that normal hours is 20 hours and get paid this much, so per hour. So which means we just do 20 hours time $16.50. That's normal. And 3 hour at time and a half. So that means you add 3 times $16.50 first. Okay, I just fix this up first. So time by $16.50 and time by 1.5. That is the time and a half. So if you put that in your calculator, you get $404.25. Okay, that's how it works. Now let's go on second one. Okay, so 39 hours at $17.45 at normal pay. Okay, that's what you get. And then 2.5 hours at double. So which is 39 hours, you time by $17.45 for normal, and then you add 2.5 hours at time and a half, which is we get this first. If you work for 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, you get this much. But for this, you double because you get paid twice, double that. So you time that, and if you put that in your calculator, you get $767.80. Okay, that's how it works. Okay. All right. Now, and this one, 18 hours and 15 minutes at $18.25 per hour and 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, for time and a half. All right, at time and a half. So which is normal hour is 28 and 15 minutes, which means 15 minutes is quarter of an hour, which is 28.25. Okay, so hours if you like. So which means you get 28.25. Okay, you time this by $18.25. Then you add, okay, 5 hours. 5 hours time. I just get this first. 5 hours. 5 hours and 30 minutes, which is 5.5 times 18.25. Okay, and you time this by 2 or 1.5. So time this by 1.5 because time and a half means 1.5. Okay, so if you put that in your calculator, okay, so you should get $666.13. That's how much you get. Okay, move on. Next one. Jenny normally works a 38-hour week and is paid $17.15 per hour. Calculate her total wages for a week in which she works an additional 6.5 hours at time and a half and 3 hours at double time. So what that means is 38 hours. Okay, for 38-hour week, because every week she worked 38 hours. So, and get pay of $17.15. Okay, so we work that out first. So, which is 38. So, normal. Okay, we just want normal first. Okay, I just work out normal hour. Okay, you get $38. 38 hours. You times $17.15. Okay, that's how much you get for normal hours. So if you put this in your calculator, you got $651.70. Okay, and then the other one is time and a half. Okay, is that right? 6.5 hours at time and a half. So what that means, the other one is extra time. The other one is 6.5 you time by $17.15. But this time you get time and a half for this one. So we'll time 1.5. So if you put this in your calculator, okay, you should get $167.21. You see? And the next slot is 3 hours at double time. So what that means, 3 hours you work and you get this much, $17.15, but you get paid double. So you just time by 2. So that means you get $102.90. Okay, so you get that. So now, okay, therefore, to add them up, the total, okay, the total amount will get, I put the dollars in front, so which is 65170. You add 167.21, add, okay, which is at 102.90. Okay, so which is, if you add them up together, you should get $921.81. Okay, that's how much Jenny received in a week if you work those hours. Okay. Okay. Now let's do last questions. Okay. So here, Jack works on a car assembly line and is paid $16.55 per hour. If Jack works for more than 8 hours on any one day, the first 2 hours are paid at time and a half. So it's important, okay, time and a half. And the rest at double time. So which means if Jack worked less than 8 hours or just 8 hours, he get paid this much. Any other than that, he can receive higher pay, right? So we just work one day at a time. So those are the days he work: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So Monday work 5 hours because 5 hours is less than 8 hours, right? So therefore he get normal pay, which is 5 times $16.55. That's how much he get paid. Okay, for Monday, which is equal to, okay, $82.75. Now, for 8 hours, it just spawned on 8 hours. So which is, you get normal pay as well. So which is 8 times $16.55. And if you put that on your calculator, okay, you get $32.40. Okay, now Wednesday. Now Wednesday is actually 9.5 hours, which is more than 8 hours. So therefore, anything beyond that, he receive higher pay. So which is 9 hours, which is 8 plus 1.5 hours. Correct? Because 9.5 minus 8 is 1.5. In another word, 9.5 hours is 8 hours plus 1.5 hours. So therefore, he get 8 hours for normal pay, which is, I already did. So which is 8 hours is this. So I get $132.50. 40 cents. Add, okay, 1.5 hours, which is the receive of $16.55. And add time and a half, right? Because it's less than 2 hours extra. So which is time 1.5. So now if you put this in your calculator, okay, so you will get $102.90. $169.64. Okay, that's how much you get. Sorry, just move back a bit. Let's back to previous slide. Okay, that's how much you get. Now on Thursday, 7 hours, which is less than 8 hours. So all you need to do is 7 hours, you times $16.55. Then if you put that in your calculator, you get $115.85. Now Friday. Now Friday a bit tricky because 12 hours, right? Because 12 hours, 12 is 8 hours, okay, plus 4 hours, which means that, okay, 8 hours plus 4 hours, so which means that 2 hours, the first 2 hours, you get time and a half, and the rest, which means another 2 hours, is double time. So which means is 8 plus 2 plus 2. This is time 1.5. This is time 2. This is normal. So which means I just put all together, okay? So which means 8. Sorry, just let me fix this first. Okay, which means 8 time, okay, 16.55 plus 2 hours at time and a half, so which is 2 times 16.55, and you time by 1.5. You get time and a half for that. And the last one, which is 2, which is the rest, is you get double time, so 2 hours, another 2 hour extra. You times 16.55, and you time by 2, double. Okay. Now, if you put this in your calculator, okay, you should get what? You should get $248.25. Therefore, okay, the total amount that he earned, okay, in a week is, I just write total first, is equal to, okay, which is, add them up, 82.75, you add, okay, I put dollar in front, so $132.40, and then you add $169.64, and then you add $115.85. And the last, sorry, I just have to go back. So now I add what else? Because this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I add the last one, which is Friday. So you add $200.48 and $248.25. That's what I mean. Which is, put that in your calculator, and you should get $628.89. Okay, that's how much Jack's earned, okay, in a week if he worked those hours, right? Thank you so much for watching my videos.